Will ChatGPT replace Google? Advancements in AI and NLP have led to powerful language models like ChatGPT. ChatGPT can engage in conversations and provide informative responses. This blog explores the potential of ChatGPT to replace Google as a search engine. ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI, powered by the GPT 3.5 architecture. It can generate human-like responses and adapt to context. ChatGPT offers a conversational experience and understands natural language nuances. A strong professional network can have a huge impact on the career and business opportunities that come your way. It excels at understanding and retaining context throughout a conversation. ChatGPT's responses are limited to the data it was trained on. It may occasionally produce incorrect or misleading information. It may struggle with retrieving precise and structured data. ChatGPT is unlikely to replace Google in the near future. Google has advantages like real-time indexing and vast knowledge bases. However, collaboration and integration between ChatGPT and search engines are possible.